त्या त्या न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर स्टेशन वाल्यांनी घेतलेले इमेजेस आहेत, त्याच्यामुळे ते आपल्याला अवेलेबल केलेत बुकसाठी, स्टडीसाठी. सो दिस इज अवर न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर स्टेशन. न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर स्टेशन इज व्हेरी सिम्पल. हा फक्त रिॲक्टरचा फोटो आहे, बाकीचं काही नाही ह्याच्यामध्ये. रिॲक्टर तुम्ही बघू शकताय, दुसरं काहीच नाहीये, बाकी काही कंपोनंट ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण जोडलेले नाहीयेत. दिस इज अवर न्यूक्लिअर रिॲक्टर. हिअर this is our body of reactor, and actual chamber is this is our pressure vessel. Here we are performing our nuclear reaction. The reactive material is bombarded with the electron, high speed electron, and once it is bombarded, that material uranium 235, it is split into the another two radioactive material that is having lesser atomic weight. Along with this fusion, what is happening? Another 3 electrons are released and they split again, and this process is continuously happening. This process is continuously happening, and the rate of liberation of the heat is very high. At that moment, what we are doing, we are providing here, these control rods are provided here. These control rods are immersed inside this chamber. They are coming down to absorb the electrons. Those are available here. Those free fast moving electrons are present. Those are absorbed by these control rods. These control rods decides the generation of the heat or the rate of the fusion reaction. If you are immersing this total control rod inside this reactor, so what will happen? All the free electrons are absorbed by these control rods, and once all the electrons are absorbed, the process is stopped. To control the speed of the reaction, these control rods are used. Here moderator is shown. This moderator controls the speed of the electron. The fast moving electrons which are bombarded on this uranium, these are the uranium rods are present. Sorry, these uranium fuel rods, these are present here. The speed of the electron is controlled by this moderator. The function of the moderator is to control the speed of the fast moving electrons. म्हणजे काय की एकदम फास्ट मध्ये बंबार्डिंग होणार, एकदम फास्ट मध्ये एनर्जी लिबरेट होणार, ते इथं थांबलं जातं, त्याची स्पीड कमी केली जाते. आपल्याला हवं तसं आपण इलेक्ट्रिक तिथं हीट एनर्जी जनरेट करतो. So here we are actually doing the fusion reaction, not a fusion. Fusion and fission, they are both. In the fusion, what we are doing, higher atomic weight molecules are split to the lower weight atomic what we can say molecules, and in fusion, two smaller atomic weight molecules, they are combined, and we are creating a higher version of the molecule or the radioactive material, and in the both the cases the heat energy is liberated, right? But the name indicates fusion and fusion. In the fusion we are separating two, in fusion we are combining two. In the both the cases heat is liberated, but in our traditional system we are using here fusion reaction. Fusion is used in hydrogen bomb. Hydrogen bomb is developed on the fusion process. Still there study is going on the fusion process. Very few power plants, only 1 or 2 power plants in the world, they are available, but they are still for the study purpose. They are not brought into the action for professional purpose. So these controller rods are made up of the cadmium. Cadmium absorbs the electrons. It's a natural property we are using. And this is a moderator made up of the graphite, and graphite slow downs the electrons. So when you want to stop the reaction, these rods are totally immersed, and when you want to stop, these rods are taken away from the chamber, pressure vessel. So whatever the speed is there, or whatever the electricity you want to generate, it is depends upon the immersion of the control rod and the fast moving electrons, right? So we can have another session on the same slide, right?